Hi guys, let's look at data validation in Microsoft Excel. When you talk about data validation, it means making sure you enter the right information and do it efficiently. It helps you avoid mistakes, keep your data accurate, and makes it easier to understand and use. So basically the purpose of data validation is to work on the data quality to make sure you're reducing errors, for the efficiency, that is making them more efficient and user-friendly, and also for data analysis, whereby validated data is reliable for analysis and decision making because it doesn't have errors. So guys, we go straight to Microsoft Excel. I right click, I go to new, then I go to Microsoft Excel. I need to have Microsoft Excel. So I can just go to start, then type Excel for that case. So I open Microsoft Excel. Then in data validation, you must be given a range. Like for instance, guys, I want to validate this point here. I want to validate that point. So I can give it some color just for clarity purposes. Then I give it some borders like that. So I need a situation whereby data entered in this green area is a whole number between 0 and 1,000. Any value below 0, any value above 1,000 will be flagged as an error. So guys, what you do is just go to highlight the place you want, then you go to data, then you just go to all the way to validation. You click on validation. So you get this dialog box whereby allow, you choose whole number or whatever you have been told by the examiner or what you want to achieve. So whole numbers, I need between. Here there are some other options, not equal to, greater than, blah, 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 blah. So I just need between. So I need between 0 and 1,000. Guys, after you do that, there is the welcome message that will appear or prompt or just display above the selected cell. So here, I just go to input message and type the title. The title is that welcome to data validation. Then here input message, you can just write that data allowed is 0 to 1,000. Then after that, in case somebody violates the validation rule, we shall have an error alert. So here we have different icons, like we have warning, we have information, we have stop. So I just need to have information. So I just go to the title. The title is error, with the exclamation, 2 exclamation marks, error, not really errors. Then you can just tell the person that retry with the numbers, between 0 and 1,000. Then you put an exclamation mark. Guys, after doing that, you just click on OK. So once I go to this point, any point outside here, I won't get any message. But once I click on this one, I have my message, welcome to data validation. Data allowed is 0 to 100. So if I enter something greater than 1,000, like that, I'll get an error message. That retry with numbers between 0 and 1,000. So I just cancel. But if I enter something like 120, it is accommodated. If I enter something like negative 120, that is an error. So I just still get an error. So guys, that's how you can perform data validation in Microsoft Excel without struggle. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Remember to subscribe if you haven't done so.